And once we get logged into Lead Vortex, things are going to look kind of like this. So to hook up your domain, you want to have your Lead Vortex logged in, and you also want to be logged into your DNS provider. This could be where you either bought your domain, or like me, I have my name servers pointed over at Cloudflare. If you've not changed your name servers, your DNS records are located over where you bought your domain at. So I have it logged in here to Cloudflare. You want to make sure that you're logged in on one tab and you have Lead Vortex open in the other. As you can see, I bought the domain here. I'm a sassman.com. So what we're going to do is we're going to add this over to an account. And to do that, we're going to come down here into where it says settings. We're going to come here into where it says domains here on the left side. And you're going to see this little blue button up at the top that says add. So we're going to add the domain and make sure you enter the www. So go www.imasassman.com. What I like to do here, I do not also want to add. I want to leave that off. Now what I want to do, I want to hit continue. And this is Lead Vortex is going to do all the work. If you're logged in, you're going to see it set up the domain, finalize the setup. You might have to wait a couple of minutes. Then once it finishes setting up, you might have to actually authorize your domain provider over Cloudflare. If you have Google or GoDaddy, something that's going to pop up. You click the authorize domain. You may have to re-sign in, or right here, it's just going to ask me to authorize it. We authorize that, and then we're going to go imasassman.com. Type that in. Authorize. And then after about 30 seconds, you're going to see something like this. If you see this particular screen, this means it was a success. All you have to do then is go in and link your Fourth Wall Secrets product funnel as the default link. Basically what happens when someone just types in this into their bar, they're going to land up in your funnel. And then same thing, you want to go into step, which is the first step that is there. Additionally, what you can do is if someone types in like imasassman.com / an invalid thing, you can set a 404 page error page. I always set this up so I want it to go basically to my sales page or my home page. So if somebody makes a mistake, it still takes them, they still land somewhere rather than getting the 404 screen. So I set that up there. I hit link domain. It's going to take a couple of seconds to link it. And now it is done. If I go over here, I take imasassman.com. I go into the URL bar. It's going to land on the templated page, and now my funnel is live. Hope that helps. I hope that shows you how easy it is to set up a domain with Lead Vortex.